Hey guys, I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and yesterday I made my first attempt at outdoor box making, and it was a bloody disaster, guys. Bloody disaster. There's a couple of reasons why it was a disaster, guys. The woodworking itself turned out great. The box turned out quite good, and all the jigs worked fine. The first reason it was a disaster was I'm not as young as what I used to be. I can't do what I used to be able to do. I can still do the woodwork fine, but all the other bending over, pushing a cart. I loaded the cart up with all the tools, as I'll show you now. And it was heavy, guys. I could hardly bloody move it. And me dragging it up hills ain't gonna happen. It nearly killed me. And the second part is, I bought all this tech gear. But YouTube said I needed it all. And look at this thing. It just does things. And I got no idea how to use it. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit, see? Can't even put the braze thing down. There you go, finished. The world's smallest camera. Have a look at that. Have a look at the size of the screen. I can't even see it. I'm like this. Where's that good or bad or indifferent? I got no idea. These wireless microphones work great, but as you see in the video, not that great. It was a combination of me being 70 and not being able to do what I used to be able to do, and the high techie stuff. I'm a low techie guy. So I'm gonna stick to the low techie for now onwards. I might eventually learn how to use it. I bloody doubt it though. But the woodwork itself came out great. I've just got to amend my way of doing things so everything works out right. So I'll show you what happened yesterday in the video now. And we'll go through it step by step and how it all stuffed up. Stuff I got out here, and I've got too much stuff to take. So I'm only going to take what I can put into the boxes. So I'm going to pare all this down now. I'm only going to take the bare essentials. Oh yeah, guys, I really pared the tools there, didn't I? I filled those boxes till I couldn't fit any more in. They were bloody heavy, guys. Look at me struggling there, across the grass. And routering for the bottom now. There we go. Do the filming. Time to cut the miters. I'm going to cut them by hand this time. Haven't done that yet, have I? So I've made myself a miter box, and I'm going to cut all the miters by hand. So let's get on with it. This was the problem, guys. I had nowhere to put anything. I had to put everything on the ground. I had to keep bending over it to pick things up. And you can hear me wheezing and carrying on there now. But the other problem was the microphone was too close. Got all the miters cut and the groove done for the bottom. Now we're going to put them together as usual. We're going to use 5-minute epoxy, but they haven't got all day to wait for the glue to dry. So put them together with 5-minute epoxy. Okay, just cutting the bottoms now. And using the masking tape method. But my table's not long enough. And mixing the epoxy now. The epoxy works well actually, it worked good. There you go. Forgot to plug the microphone in. Wait for it to dry. We'll fly the drone and we'll see how I go. And I flew the drone and forgot to turn the camera on. Forgot to press record. And just coming in to land now. I did it, guys. I didn't crash. Look at that. Great stuff. And doing the splines now. Okay guys, we've got all the splines cut in now. We'll glue them in. Well, this time I was very, very tired. That was a lot harder than what I thought, guys. That was my disastrous trip over the park for the first filming of my outdoor box making. And it was a bit of an experience, guys. The woodwork went fine, just that everything else stuffed up, as you saw. So I've just got to work smarter by having a table when I make some of the boxes outdoors, or go to a place where there's a park bench or something where I put my tools. But that was the biggest problem, bending down every 2 minutes to pick something up. It really tired me out. I just got to work smarter, not harder, and I'll get there, guys. But it's going to be a fun journey, and I hope you stay with me for the rest of the journey. A brand new cart, I call it the Green Monster. This is a green Gorilla cart. I've got 2 tables, a work platform, a chair, a great cart, HSE. So I'll set it all up for you now and I'll show you exactly how it works. I've got everything set up now. I've got the 2 tables set up, got tools on there. I got a platform behind me where I'm going to make all the boxes so I can stand up straight. I'm sitting on a chair, look at that. And I've got the cart ready to pack it all up so I can move locations. So now I think I've got everything I need to start outdoor box making the right way, not the way I did it last time. It would kill me. See you in the next video where we'll be finishing the box that I've started to make. And we'll take it from there.